Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is teacher Nisma and you are watching Arabic for All. Please subscribe if you are on YouTube and follow our page if you are on Facebook. In this video, inshallah, you will learn the gender in Arabic nouns. If the noun is mu'annath or mudhakkar, feminine or masculine. Let's see. Before we start, let me tell you why should you know if the noun is masculine or feminine? One of the most main reasons to make correct Arabic sentences is to know if the noun you are using is feminine or masculine, mu'annath or mudhakkar. Because the verb that you will use or the adjective or the pronoun should agree with the gender of the main noun in the sentence that you are saying. For example, if I want to say, the bag that I bought is beautiful. If I translate it literally, word by word, I may say الحقيبة التي اشتريتها جميلة. الحقيبة التي اشتريتها جميلة. Or الحقيبة الذي اشتريته جميل. الحقيبة الذي اشتريته جميل. All the nouns in the yellow circles depend on the main noun الحقيبة. So I have to know if it is mudhakkar or mu'annath to decide which pronoun and relative pronoun suits it. The word al-haqiba has the most common feminine mark in Arabic, which is at-ta'ul marbuta here at the end. So al-haqibatu is feminine and this sentence is correct and the other one is wrong. Now let's learn what are the main marks that make the noun feminine and all others will be masculine, of course. علامات التأنيث. The marks of feminine. رقم 1 المعنى, the meaning. If I say a noun that means feminine like a mother or a woman or a girl, it's feminine by meaning. The second, التاء المربوطة. This ta marbuta at the end of the noun also makes it feminine. ألف التأنيث المقصورة. This ألف مقصورة at the end of the noun also makes it feminine. ألف التأنيث الممدودة. Nouns that end with a, الألف الممدودة also can be feminine. المؤنث السماعي. What is المؤنث السماعي? المؤنث السماعي are simply some words that are heard from the Arabs, saying them with feminine verbs and pronouns. So they dealt with them as feminine, despite not having any feminine mark. You have to know that any language is spoken by its native speakers. So it's not something that had been designed through an academic process. And the way it is organized in books, with grammatical rules, it's just after the linguistics have organized it and categorized its all rules. So they collect all the possible and found structures and they try to figure out the common rules within. And of course, there are always some irregular cases that don't follow the same common rule. These are some exceptions that are taught alone. Now let's see each one in details. The first one is al-ma'na. Words are feminine by their meaning. For example, imra'ah, a woman, bint, a girl, ukht, sister, a mother, or all the names for females like Khadija, Zainab, Hind. All the jobs that end with ta marbuta are for females. Muhandisa, female engineer, mudarrisa, female teacher, tabibah, female doctor, ممرضة, female nurse. The next group are the group of ta marbuta. Nouns with ta marbuta is generally feminine, like كراسة, notebook, مكتبة, library, طاولة, a table. These nouns are feminine and I can't remove their ta marbuta to make a masculine form of them. If I remove ta marbuta, they would have no meaning or another meaning. However, we have a group of words that have ta marbuta at the end. When I remove their ta marbuta, they become masculine and they refer to the type of the noun. For example, تفاحة. Tufaha is one apple. If I remove تا مربوطة, it's تفاح, the apple, the type of this fruit, apples like. سمكة, one fish. سمك, the fish, the meat of fish. بقرة, a cow, one cow. If I remove تا مربوطة, it becomes بقر, cows, the type of this animal. شجرة, a tree. If I remove تا مربوطة, شجر, trees. Also here we have an exception. Some names for men have تا مربوطة at the end, but they are masculine, like حمزة, أسامة, خليفة. This refers to males, however they have تا مربوطة at the end. Next type is ألف التأنيث المقصورة. The nouns that ends with a ألف مقصورة. الألف المقصورة is written like ياء, pronounced like ألف, preceded by فتحة. Let's see examples. حسنى. حسنى is the best of something. ليلى. ليلى is a name. مستشفى, a hospital. Also nouns with ألف التأنيث الممدودة at the end. الأمثلة: صحراء, a desert. سماء, sky. زهراء, a little flower. Next type is المؤنث السماعي. Nouns are feminine because they are heard from Arabs like this. For example, all body parts that are in pairs, like عين, an eye, أذن, an ear, يد, a hand, also an arm, a leg. All body parts that are in pairs are مؤنث. Some common nouns like أرض, ground or floor or earth. نار, fire. شمس, sun. حرب, war. نفس, a soul. عصا, a stick. The plural nouns that are not for human beings will be treated also as singular feminine, like كتب, books. أقلام, pens. حقائب, bags. This means that they will be described using singular feminine adjectives and verbs and pronouns and so forth. That's all for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please click like and share it with your friends. And see you next time. مع السلامة.